What's up, guys? I wanted to bring you this video and show you what I am doing. This will be documented on my YouTube channel, but I am using the Razor Tip SL3 wood burner. This is the newest one that Razor Tip sent me, and it is amazing. I want to show you guys something. If I can catch this on camera, I'm going to turn this all the way up and hit power. When this turns blue, it is ready to go. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, that is hot. There is smoke coming up from that. That's how fast this is. Now, I don't want to run that at 100% because I can damage the tips. So what I am working on, of course, is this hammer. Now, I said I wasn't going to wood burn this, but I lied. So what I am doing, I am going to go around the letters here with this flat shader. And I can't remember the name of this shader, but I am going to be very careful. I'm going to turn this on about 35. Hit power. We're going to let it warm up there. And what I'm going to do, I am going to go along the sides of the letters right here. We will need more power. And actually, I forgot to turn it on. This is real life here, y'all. Okay, we're going to let this warm up just for a second. And yeah, we're going to still need some more power. This hickory is some hard wood. Now, what I am doing here, I'm going to go to 60. I don't know if I need it that high, but we're going to try. So, I'm going to go here. Oh, yeah. Just like this. I used to turn this heat all the way up and go for it, but as you are wood burning, you will actually wood burn, it'll scorch the other parts of the letters. So what I'm doing here, I am going to just fly over the edges here, overlapping them, and making sure everything is even, because I don't want to make it even look like it was wood burn. Since I carved this deeper than I anticipated, this wood burning will help break out the contrast between the negative space and the positive space when I stain this. And there we go. This is on the V right here. Can you see that black? Do you see how it's just popping up from the background? And I'm going to get closer here if my iPhone will focus. Okay, that's looking really good. I want to burn evenly around all of that. And as far as this right here, I'm going to zoom my camera in some more. I'm loving this overhead mount with my phone. Let's do right around here. Now here's a trick. I'm going to blow. Don't touch your lips to this because that would suck. I'm going to blow on this to kind of, because it has a lot of heat in it since it hasn't been absorbed by the wood. Blow on it. Cool it off just a hair because I don't want to scorch it when it comes back down on the wood. There we go, and I'm just going to get the inside. And the trick here is to keep it moving. And I hit some harder wood here. I don't know if the camera is picking up this very well. This is kind of splotchy on the inside. I want the edges done, but also want the inside done. When I first started this, I used to be super sloppy. I want you guys to know, most people wood burn on basswood and different things like that, basswood rounds. And it's a lot easier because you can shade with this, and it's hard to shade on hickory. And so what I'm doing here, not a lot of wood burners do this. I'm just using this in conjunction with this wood carving. I'm not doing a lot of wood burners. What I'm trying to say is would wood burn this image something like this. And I have a tutorial on this. We'll really showing how to do this. I'm going to zoom out. Kind of see the same shape there. That's because it is the same thing, just different. So this is flat and this is raised. So I just want to go along the edges, and I know I may be over explaining myself right here,